Let us hear a message from our Regional Director, FAR Chief Superintendent Romel C. Tradio. Sir?
Okay, good morning.
Morning, sir.
So to my Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Senior Superintendent Cabot, for Operations, Senior Superintendent Salvania, and for Chief of Staff, Senior Superintendent Pabre, other Senior Commission Officers, and Junior Commission Officers, Non-Commission Officers, non-uniform personnel, good morning. So, for the whole year, ay nagawa natin ang mga firsts. Nagawa natin mga innovations na unang nakita din sa Region 10. And this time, today, we will have also another first. It is a caroling sa mga malls using our newly formed brass band and the new berong and birang, hindi na mga engkanto, ang bata na gito. So they will be distributing leaflets while nagtutugtog Christmas carols ang atong brass band doon sa mall. Meron tulo ka malls ang ilang na-schedule. This is the first, kasi instead na nangaroling, nangayog, kita mo dawat, tayo ng hatag og leaflets and chocolates. Habang yung mga tawag doon, yung mga guests ng malls ay musulod sa ilang mall. So, nakaschedule ang Gaisano, Isem at saka yung Limkit Kay. I don't know kailan ang Ayala, wala pang schedule. So, but this is another first. So, for the whole year ay naipakita natin kaya nato muhimo mga innovations. Yung resiliency ng Region 10 ay naipakita nato. And not only na we respond to our own area of responsibility sa mga disasters, but also we responded doon sa mga other regions that need our help. And that is Tatak Just the Best. We do not only prepare for our region, but also we are prepared to serve other regions in case na mayroong kailangan ng tulong. So, next year will be another first, the biggest first next year for Region 10 to host the National Paralympics and another innovations by next year. So, but before we will tackle next year, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone for your cooperations, for your dedications, for sacrificing your time, more time para magawa na ito ang mga first. Thank you. Thank you for my staff, from the command staff to division chief to section chief and to the personnel na tulong-tulong para magawa natin itong mga first sa chess, the best. So, I would like to extend also my advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. At mahaba-haba ang atong bakasyon because of the declaration ng holiday sa 29 and January 2. So, kailan ang balik? January 5. So, except yung may duty detail, kasi naka-schedule na duty detail, ay dapat mag-report. Diaryo lahat ang uniform. Starting nung mag-duty na. Lahat ng mag-duty. So, once again, Merry Christmas and congratulations. We made it for the whole year. Madami tayong first na wala pa nakita dito sa Region 10. And daghan pa tayo mo next year. Yung mga first po sa din sa Region 10. So, once again, thank you very much and Merry Christmas sa atong lahat.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words have once again given us clarity of direction and a renewed sense of purpose as members of BFP Region 10. Thank you also for leading as example and for continuously pushing the region forward. Your vision and dedication inspires us to do better, serve better, and be the best in everything that we do.